we are going to have so much fun. Today, we're making chocolate ice cream, also known as chocolate and ice cream, because it's hella, hella, hella delicious and nicely good for you, yo. So here, I had some really nice ripe bananas, right? Started with that. Nice ripe bananas. The riper the better because the sweeter they're gonna be. Num 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 num. So I had the really ripe bananas, and then once they're ripe, I just peeled them each individually and I wrapped them each in saran wrap individually because you don't want them sticking together when they're frozen, right? So then I put them all in a freezer bag until I was ready to use them, till I'm ready to make my nice cream, right? So then what I did was I just took a big bowl, kind of like this, right? And I unwrapped each banana and I broke them up into chunks, right? With my hands. I just broke them up into chunks with my hands and put them in the bowl. And then I let them sit in the bowl until the outside of the banana was a little soft, right? You want just the outside of the banana to get the chunks to get a little soft, but you want them to stay frozen, right? So then once they were perfectly still frozen but soft on the inside, so I can just like smush the outside just a little bit, then I just dumped all the chunks into the food processor, and so they look like kind of like I started processing it a little bit, but the chunks will start to get mushed up, right? So you wanna definitely see they're starting to get mushed up a little bit. You want to definitely let the food processor run. It's going to take you a few minutes, but you want to let it run, and every so often stop the food processor and just go like this with your tablespoon, right? Your silverware, your tablespoon, right? Just kind of help it out, help the process out a little bit, right? Just jab, 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 okay? And then put it back on and that back on. Make sure your blades are good and let it run a little longer. Yep. See, it's getting nice and smooth. Nice and smooth. Yep. All right. So now what you want to do, put that aside for a sec. So now I have some maple syrup, right? Maple syrup. I'm going to take a tablespoon-ish of, no. Yeah. I'm going to take, you know what? No, a quarter cup actually of maple syrup, right? And I'm going to go ahead and just bada bing, bada boom. Quarter cup, give or take. If you want to use less, use less. If you want to use a little bit more, use a little bit more. Pour it in there. It's going to give it that nice little pop, right? And the maple syrup is going to help the bananas get nice and smooth too, right? Really cool. So we're going to take our spoon again, our silverware spoon, and just stir it up a little bit, right? Stir it up a little bit. You see that? This you could make maple walnut ice cream. I've done that. That's crazy delicious. Coffee. There's no limit to what you can add to this. It's really amazing. There's no limit. I've made black raspberry ice cream with organic black raspberry powder. Vanilla powder works really, really, really good. If you want to make vanilla ice cream, it's your house, baby. So much fun, switching up the flavors, making whatever you want to make. It's your house. Whoa. I've used this so much. I'm probably going to need a new food processor soon, right? See? It's coming out hella smooth. Hella smooth, baby. Look at this. This is insane. Oh my gosh. I love you so much. Check this out. Look at this. Soft serve ice cream, baby. Soft serve. So now, just going to stir it around. Oh my word. So good. So good. So now, organic cocoa powder. Yes. Organic cocoa powder. Delicious chocolate ice cream. Nice cream. Woo, woo. Take a little dab will do ya. This is a tablespoon, right? So put some in there. You know, put as much of that shit as you want to. It's your house, right? Your house, baby. Now we're going to just take the spoon again. Just help it out a little bit. Help it out a little bit. Right? Help it out a little bit. So easy, right? So freaking easy. It's insane. Yep. Chocolate, chocolate, chocolate. Yes, please. Am I right? That's freaking delicious. Put that over there. Hold on to your hats, little birdie. Birdies. Whoa. You know what I'm going to do? Shit. I'm going to vamp up the antioxidants in this mother. And I'm going to add another tablespoon, yo. I'm going to add another tablespoon of this cocoa powder. Shit. So good, right? It's my house, baby. I can do whatever the hell I want to do. Am I right? Now, cover back on. Yes. So good. Oh my goodness. Yes, please. Look how easy this is, right? This is so easy. Oh my goodness, is this easy? Oh my goodness. I cannot wait for you to see this. I cannot wait for you to see this. Oh, wow. Look at this. Look at this. Chocolate ice cream. Soft serve ice cream. Soft serve, right? How cool is that? So good. Oh, yes, please. So, this is what it looks like. Hell yeah. Chocolate soft serve ice cream coming at you live. It's delicious. So, if you like that, I am going to be giving the instructions. I'll plug in the instructions in the description below, right? And you can rock that scene at your house. And you know, if you make it, if you do end up making chocolate and ice cream at your house, please let me know how it goes. Let me know how yours comes out. Let me know if you used more maple syrup, you used less maple syrup. If you made a different flavor, let me know, please. Or if you have some ideas, give me some ideas on please comment below. Give me some ideas on how what you would add to your ice cream, or what you would take away, or yeah, give me a heads up, right? So yeah, if you like this and you're interested in hanging out with me some more and having some fun, go ahead and ding that thing at the end of this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you later. I don't know where the clicker go. Here it is.